guys, welcome to MK Mobiles. We are back with a new video. So we are going to fix this Realme XT. Display was broken, so we are going to change this display. So let's first of all we are going to remove this back panel. Just a minute, we are removing this back panel. So we just open this back panel and we are going to do the vertical footage. Thank you for keeping. So the display is back, so I'm gonna show you. It's a pure original Pakka display. Let's check. This is Realme. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share, like and subscribe. So this is my vlog, and you can, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, then you got daily videos. Hope you like my English. If you are not English, please sorry for that. I'm not fluent, but I'll do my best. This is the display, okay? Okay. We are going to fix. Hope you like. Fix the guys, phone is ready.